We begin this morning with breaking news as we seem to be in another holding pattern when it comes to the federal execution of Daniel Lewis Lee. News 10's Jordan Kudish is live at the federal prison in Terre Haute with the latest from overnight.
Well, John, not much has changed since we got out here right at 5 a.m. Now, to my right, there is one other news station, and besides that, we've seen officers patrolling throughout this area. But other than that, things really haven't changed. Now, overnight, the Supreme Court did rule for this execution to go forward. But at 5 a.m. this morning, just as we were about to go on air, we received a letter that may have changed things. And I'm going to read that to you right here for accuracy purposes. Now, this letter was from the Federal Capital Habeas Project. It says that an appeals court ruling overturning a stay of execution will not happen until Wednesday. So what that means is that the stay of execution is still in place according to that letter. So again, we're unclear if that execution did happen at 4 a.m. But News 10's Heather Good is right inside of the federal prison. She is a media witness. Her phone is not on right now, but as soon as she gives us information back, we'll know whether or not that execution did happen. Now, if Daniel Lewis Lee was executed, he was to receive a very lethal dose of a sedative called pentobarbital. That was to happen at 4 this morning. I'm going to go back to the beginning of this case and remind you why Lee is here to begin with. In 1999, a jury found him guilty. That was of killing a family of 3 from Arkansas. An 8-year-old girl was among the victims. The DOJ says Lee and another man robbed and shot them in 1996. They then covered their heads with plastic bags, weighed them down with rocks, and threw them into a body of water. Now again, we don't know much more of what's going on here, but as soon as we hear back from News 10's Heather Good, we will bring you any updates as we learn more. And of course, we're going to continue to stay out here for you this morning and bring you updates. And you can follow us online as well. That's WTHI-TV.com. Reporting live from the federal prison, I'm Jordan Kudish with News 10.